Was great, but check out this next one. Those nasal rinses must have felt incredible. Now, here are my top 5 tips for how to do them safely when you're either battling a cold, have a sinus infection, or even have rhinitis. First, you need to use the correct solution. So that means distilled water, or sterile saline. If you don't have access to any of those, then stay tuned to the end of the video where I give you my recipe for a homemade solution. Second, make sure you clean the irrigation device before and after using it. Third, remember that your passageways do not go upwards. They actually go back and out towards your ears. So make sure you tilt your head forward and that will give you better access to your nasal passageways. It also means that gravity will help the solution come out of the other nostril. Fourth, make sure you keep your mouth open so that you can breathe through it and it can help to keep your ears comfortable. 5, avoid using these in children under 6 months old as they won't have developed the ability to mouth breathe yet, unless you have instructions from a doctor. And finally, for a homemade saline solution, mix the following ingredients in a clean container. 1 teaspoon of non-iodized salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 500 ml of freshly boiled water, but make sure it cools before you use it. There are some cautions to using the rinses. For example, do not use tap water if it has not been boiled. But if you have any concerns, please speak with a doctor.